Did you know that Churchill's reaction to Hitler's death shocked the whole world? As Soviet forces closed in on his Berlin bunker on April 30, 1945, Adolf Hitler took his own life. As word traveled to major capitals like London, Washington, and Moscow, the public response was ecstatic. Jubilant crowds filled the streets, celebrating with flags and embraces, believing the long ordeal had finally reached its end. Most assumed Winston Churchill would lead the celebration. After all, he had steered Britain through 5 years of Nazi bombardment and immense loss. However, his private response was far more somber than the public expected. Behind closed doors, Churchill's tone was one of caution rather than triumph. He advised his cabinet to temper their excitement, offering a chilling perspective. He feared that with Hitler removed, Europe faced a potentially more volatile future. Churchill was deeply concerned that the Soviet Union would seize the opportunity to dominate half of Europe. He viewed the conclusion of the Nazi threat as the birth of a new, different danger, of a new enemy from the east.
From Stettin in the Baltic to Trieste in the Adriatic, an iron curtain has descended across the continent.
Kindly subscribe to our channel for more.